Yeah.
Are you gonna get these?
Hey, how much for this pile here?
Pardon? And this what that?
Ooh, candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Help yourself.
Morning, how are you?
Good morning.
It's a Halloween sale.
Yeah.
That's cool. How much are the stuffed animals?
$1.
Kind of neat.
We got it out.
Yeah, they're all Dr. Seuss. Or the
Great Wolf Lodge.
yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
Got it.
He's cute.
Elijah, you like him? A Beanie Boo? You can get it for your sister for Christmas. She doesn't need anything.
I already gave him a lot of stuff.
It should have a price on it. Yeah. Yeah, it's not.
Oh, I love these things.
She's a great baby one.
Good for a teacher. Drop it, kid. I like this little guy. I gave her $1 for it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like oh yeah. 50 cents.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The hats are 50 too? 50 cents?
The hat for two?
50 cents or? Oh, just this one's 50?
That one's 50. Yeah, that one's a
Oh
girl.
yeah, that's a
That one's
female's.
50. $1.
$1 each. You do $5 for 7? You can look at them, yeah.
7 hats?
Yeah.
Which ones you have here?
What do you find? A tornado?
So this one's $1.
Oh, there you go. That's cool.
This one's 2. So
Oh, a
these three
couple of them are
2.
2. Gotcha.
Those are $1. Did you still want? So that would be 4 for total.
4 for those. Can you put hats in the washer?
I do.
You do?
Just gentle.
Yeah. So those would be 4. Let me look at these ones, see if there's one I...
Did you take $2 for these?
Mom,
that was
$2
cool.
for those books.
Where'd you get that one? Did you get that one from the actual studio?
So I'm actually selling this for my in-law.
Okay.
My guess, she's a big Disney fan,
Yeah.
and her husband was a big golfer.
5,
So
6.
that's where all that came from. Thank you.
So it's 10 for all of them, right? So it's 4 and then 6?
Yeah.
Just don't know if that one's gonna come clean. I think that one will come clean because it's just fuzz.
Yeah. That's why some I was like, that's $1 just for some, but yeah, $1 for this.
That put me at 9. Just give me $1 off, $8.
That's fine.
Okay.
I have 10. I'll take it.
I got 10. Yeah, I think this will. Okay, cool.
You wanted a bag?
Yeah, if you got one. Are you buying that?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, people are walking away with a lot of good stuff. Oh wow. Look at that. Filling this old truck.
Got all around, upstairs, downstairs, backyard.
You know how to drive traffic, huh?
Right, yeah. This way, this way. All around, upstairs, downstairs,
Whoa. There sure is a dead zebra on us around the wall. This is crazy.
Is it moving in or out?
I think they're moving out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Merry Christmas. What do you want? $5. $5 total. Yeah, I want to like that. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, nails and all this. You want it all?
Well, I don't know. It depends on how much you want.
You get $10 you have it. I can't. You gotta find something that I know. I understand.
Where's your flashlight?
I'll give you $1. Thank you, sir.
Hey, man.
What's up, buddy?
Someone just farted in my mouth. I like ate it. That was a tasty fart. These are good mag light. Another mag light.
Oh, wait a second. Sharp. How much is this? Oh, $1.
Okay.
This one also a buck?
Yeah. Let's give me two more bucks.
Okay.
How's that? That was a good flashlight. Sound.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
already said $1. That's all good.
they're but they're like the bomb. I had
I
them.
know.
They last forever.
Good.
Is the nice thing about them.
Well, enjoy.
Yeah, thank you.
Like 5 years.
Yeah, exactly.
Is that ink?
No, that's sterno.
Oh man.
Yeah, there's some aroma in here. I probably missed a lot of cool stuff. Oh, what? Dude, this house is awesome.
Huge.
$5. Fishing reel.
Plunger.
Catches and holds automatically.
Oh man, it smells like dentist.
$1 dozen.
You know those things they use at the dentist, this metal thing? Like the gloves? It smells like there's like gloves.
Oh, the...
Mm-hmm.
What are those called? Latex?
Yeah. Is that ink?
Still thought that one... I think that's cool. Remember, have you ever seen Wizard of Oz?
Uh-huh.
That's what he uses to oil himself. It's kind of cool because vintage. I just don't know. Borax.
It's an installation. Oh, it's so hot in here.
What's this over here? Little coolers.
It's a little cooler.
It's a lot of scissors.
Somebody took like all the things.
That's cray cray. Oh, I'm ringing. How much is your soldering gun?
That would be a question for my stepdad. He'll be back on in a sec.
Cool, no worries. Look at this. Little old oil thing. Oh, it just made my hands very oily.
There's a Kleenex right there if you need a.
Nah, alright. I'm just fussing to fuss. Bullseye laser. That could be good. I'm gonna make a pile.
That's all your stuff?
Maybe I want to see what he'd do on it.
Okay.
What are these? Income tax returns. Don't sell those.
Yeah. I don't know what happened to how that box got here.
You don't want to sell those.
Yeah.
Are you gonna get these?
Hey, how much for this pile here?
Pardon? And this wasn't.
The welder, this Black & Decker thing, and the reels all together.
About $10.
Did you count
Deal.
pieces in?
I did not. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
where we
then
at?
you just wanted all the
So this was 5, and I added the little snowman here.
Yep.
And that.
And then these two.
How about 20 for everything?
You change?
Yeah. What did I say?
10.
Okay. Alright,
It's alright.
Oh.
So 10 back.
So
Yeah.
then we'll just do 10 for these four.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys got a good crowd, huh? It's nuts.
It is good.
It's exciting, though.
For a hassle, it's exciting, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it's getting some stuff done.
How much is your battery backup there?
I think that doesn't work. It was in the garbage. Yeah, we
yeah,
plugged
yeah.
it in. It wasn't working. Yeah,
Gotcha.
someone's got it in there now.
Yeah. Those, you have to keep them plugged to get them to keep working.
I think I just gave my 10 away, but I'm sure I can find 5 maybe.
Oh, casters. Those are always handy. How much for a bag of casters?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either. $2?
Sure.
Okay.
5 for 2 bags. How's that? 5 for 2. 2 for 5.
2 for 5. 2 for 1.
2 for 1.
I don't know. He said $2 for 1 and $5 for 2 bags.
Wait, what?
So he said, did you say? I thought you said $2 for 1 bag and then 5 for 2.
Well, yeah, I said $2.50 each. Yeah, I just figured to make it easy because I don't have change. That's my
Oh,
problem.
I got
I'm
you.
I'm trying to make everything in 5s, 10s, and 15s.
I got it. Well, I
That's what I'm saying.
have 2 singles.
All right, give me 2 singles.
Okay.
Well, you've been giving me singles all along the way, so.
Yeah, I'm trying to help you out
I
here.
appreciate it. That's fine. That's fine.
Okay, man. Thank you.
Did I get the other one?
We're keeping the shop.
Ah, they're for me personally. For the garage. I don't think that. Well, do they have a brand on them? Yeah, I didn't buy them for that. I bought them for myself.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you. You too.